Video.
Can you take a picture of the dog?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going inside.
Mommy's going inside.
Oh.
I think Mommy's pretty much done with all this.
I like it inside with the smell of the gingerbread.
Nisi, come on. Alright, there's the bunnies. All covered with snow. Here's Tiffany's car. My car. It's good to know the rocket scientists left all the snow brushes out. There's the birdies. Let's see if I can zoom in on the birdies. Out by the feeders. Hey, that's actually pretty good. No idea what they all are. Whatever they are, we got a ton of them. Here's the deck. And the backyard. Oh, hello birdie. What are you? Oh, whatever you are, you're flying away. I gotta turn this off. I gotta spread more seed. They're going postal on the seed back there.